Hello friends, once again welcome you all to another video, and today we are going to look at the last part of unit number 1 section B and the remaining types of novels. One is a gothic novel and the second one is a graphic novel, and this lecture will be very short, and in the next week we are going to face live lecture on Google Meet application. So let's start with the gothic novel. So the word gothic, it means the horror. Okay, if you have listen about the Dracula movies or such kind of that if Indian movies like Haunted, okay, the movies of 1920 region, okay, Bhutnath, like that, okay. So these are all the movies are called as a gothic movies, or we can say the gothic. Okay, so European romantic pseudo medieval fiction having a prevailing atmosphere of mystery and terror. So mystery, that is good Gusti, and terror, that is Antang. Its heyday was the 1700s and 90s, but it underwent frequent revivals in subsequent centuries, called the Gothic, because its imaginative impulse was drawn from medieval buildings and ruins. Such novels commonly used such settings as castle or monasteries, equipped with the subterranean passages, dark battlements, hidden panels, and trapdoors. The Wage was initiated in England by Horace Walpole, and he has written a very successful novel. The name of that novel is Castle of Otranto, which was written and published in 1765. So his most respectable follower was Anne Radcliffe, and she has also written another novel. It is like a Castle of Otranto, that is the Mysteries of Udolpho, and it was published in 1794. And again, she has written another novel, that is Italian, which was published in 1797, and are among the best examples of the genre of Gothic novel. So, more sensational type of Gothic romance exploiting horror and violence flourished in Germany and was introduced to England by Matthew George Lewis with the novel The Monk, and The Monk was published in 1796. Other landmarks of Gothic fiction are William Beckford's Oriental Romance and his novel, that is Othic, which was written and published in 1786, and Charles Robert Martin's story of an Irish Faust, Melmoth the Wanderer, published in 1820. The classic horror stories Frankenstein, which already I have told you yesterday, it was published in 1888 by Mary Shelley, and Dracula 1897 by Ram Stoker, and the movie also came, Dracula, on this novel, are in the Gothic tradition but introduce the existential nature of humankind, as it is definitely mystery and terror. So, easy targets for satire. The early Gothic romances died of their own extravagance of plot, but Gothic atmosphere machinery continued to haunt the fiction of such major writers as Bronte sisters, Edgar Allan Poe, Nathaniel Hawthorne, and even Charles Dickens in Bleak House and Great Expectations. In the second half of the 20th century, the term was applied to paperback romances having the same kind of themes and trappings similar to the original Gothic novels. So let's move to the another type of novel, that is the graphic novel. And the graphic card, you must have heard about the graphic cards in your computer or in your mobile phones, and it is useful for the gaming. But actually, the graphic novel comes from the comic content. Like if you think about the movies like Avengers, okay, Endgame and Infinity War, actually they are based on the comic contents. So a graphic novel is a book made up of comic content. Although the word novel normally refers to long fictional works, the term graphic novel is applied broadly and includes fiction, non-fiction, and anthologies work. It is at least in the United States dictionary form of the term comic book, which is generally used for comic periodicals. So, fan historians Richard Cale coined the term graphic novel in an essay in the November 1964 issue of the comics fanzine Kappa Alpha. So, the term gained popularity in the comics community after the publication of Will Easton's uh, A Contract with God, which was published in 1978, and the start of Marvel's graphic novel lines. And you know that we are very familiar with the Marvel's graphic novel lines, which were published in 1982, and so many movies from um, Hulk, Incredible Hulk, Iron Man first to now Black Widow is scheduled, and again the WandaVision and the Winter Soldier and the Falcon. These are the some TV shows, and the Loki is also TV shows is coming. So all these are based on the Marvel's graphic novel line, and became familiar to the public in the late 1980s after the commercial success of the first volume of Art Spiegelman's Mouse in 1986, and the collector edition of Frank Miller The Dark Knight Returns in 1986, and Alan Moore's and Dave Gibbons' Watchmen in 1987. The book industry study group began using graphic novel as a category in bookstores in 2001. So guys, I hope that you understood this lecture. So thank you for watching.